Did you know that we have one of the most innovative potato processing plants right in our backyard?
Wait, really?
Yeah!
Whoa. Let's go!
Okay, at Keystone Potato here we have two production lines, a dehydration line and a fresh cut potato line. Our dehydration line, we dehydrate the potatoes into a potato flake, and that would be the same thing as you see when you go to the store and buy your instant mashed potatoes. Our line, we typically don't sell retail, we sell to other companies who use it as an ingredient in their product.
I'm the dehy production manager. Basically what I do is I control what raw we use and what product we make at the end of the run. Right here what is happening is the potatoes are getting washed. They come on a bulk load of a truck and they'll get dumped in our hopper out here and they'll run through the washing process. This little belt here is our sizer, and what it does is it'll size out anything smaller than 2 1/4 inches.
Some of the industries that we go into, people who make pierogies, and we have different people who make potato breads.
We have the fresh cut line that does the dices, french fries, and slices.
Our fresh cut line uses a better grade potato. We sell a little bit for retail. We're just starting to get into that market for people who make potato salads and soups and things like that.
Did you know Keystone Potato Product uses state-of-the-art technology to process their potatoes?
And they do it in the greenest way possible.
Now you know.
Yes, well, there's a few things we do here to be more environmentally friendly. We use the landfill gas from across the street to fuel our boiler. And this helps us in many ways. One, it's a cost savings for us. Another thing, it's better for the environment. We also have our own water treatment plant, which takes water out of our wells, which is mine-affected acid water, and we treat that water to the point where it's potable, and we can use it in our plant for production.
To be a provider, feed families, huge impact in the area, huge impact.
And now you know what's so cool about manufacturing.
Thanks for joining us.